Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install Python on your computer so you can start coding today. Also, if you are looking to learn Python from scratch with hands-on practice, I conduct live interactive classes. I'll guide you through everything step by step. So, if you are interested, check out my contact details in the description below and I'll share all the syllabus and fee details with you. So first open your browser and go to official website python.org. Now hover over the downloads tab and it will automatically show the latest version for your operating system. Click the download button and your downloading will start. Once it is finished, click on the setup. So before clicking install now, make sure to check the box at the bottom that says add python.exe to path. If you'll miss this step, it will cause errors. Okay. And then you can click on this install now. You can grant administrative permission if asked and let the setup complete. And now to make sure Python installed correctly, open command prompt or terminal and type here Python dash dash version. And since you are getting it, it means Python is successfully installed. And that's it. You are ready to start writing Python code. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you had any issues. And remember, if you want structured live guidance to master Python, drop me a message via the details in the description. See you in the next video.